2-inch gold tone plates. Professional heat between 200° and 450° Fahrenheit is distributed evenly for dynamic no-fail styling. Indicator lights. Quick 60-second heat up, 2 heat settings. 6 feet tangle-free swivel cord. On/off switch for easy operation. One of the most iconic hairstyles is back. And we have the styling tool to help you create the look. The Gold N Hot Professional Ceramic 2 Crimper Iron creates the perfect bends for enviable textured styles. Ceramic technology distributes heat evenly, helping reduce damage to precious strands and leading to a faster styling time. Wide 2 plates are perfect for accommodating more hair, great for thick and long hair. A quick 60-second heat up gets you right to styling. The adjustable temperature control lets you easily reach up to 450 F for true styling variety and customization for all hair types. Designed with a finger rest for easier two-handed styling and more control. A 1-year limited warranty guarantees dependable performance and consistent results. Top reviews from the United States. The best crimper I've ever had. I've had a lot of crimpers in my life and I have amazingly thick hair. And this was perfect. The best crimper out there.